A special Air Force aircraft carrying the mortal remains of 45 Indians who died in a devastating fire in Kuwait on 12 June landed in Kerala on Friday and will later fly to Delhi. The victims include 23 from Kerala, 7 from Tamil Nadu, 3 each from Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, 2 from Odisha, and 1 each from Bihar, Punjab, Karnataka, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Haryana. The embassy said that 176 Indian workers were in the housing facility, 45 of them died and 33 were hospitalized. In a landmark move, the 3 newly enacted laws, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam will come into effect across the country from 1st July. In a bid to reform the criminal justice system, the 3 laws will replace the colonial-era Indian Penal Code, the Code of Criminal Procedure and the Indian Evidence Act of 1872 which existed from 1860. Odisha DGP informed the media that steps would be taken to implement the new laws in the state from 1st July. The Supreme Court on Friday said that it would not pass any ex parte CBI probe into the allegation of paper leak and other irregularities in the NEET UG 2024 examination. The bench comprising Justice Sandeep Mehta said that the National Testing Agency may file its reply to the fresh petition seeking CBI and SIT probe into the allegation of paper leak within 2 weeks. The batch of petitions, including pleas seeking cancellation of the exam, will be heard next on 8th July, and IMD has predicted increase in rainfall activities from 17th June in some parts of Odisha. Heavy rainfall is likely in the districts of Nayagarh, Kalahandi, Raigada, Kandhamal, Ganjam, Gajpati on 17th June. Yellow warning has been issued for thunderstorm with lightning at 1 or 2 places over the districts of Balasore, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Kendrapada, Katak, Jagat Singhpur, Sundargarh, Jharsuguda, Bargarh, Sambalpur, Deoghar, Angul, Dhenkanal, Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj, Noapada, Bolangir,